So here I need a bit more insulation, and I got these for free, 15 centimeters, and so I need to slice them in half, 1 meter wide, and that's why I have built. It's now up to minus 10 degrees here in Germany, and so air conditioner, nicely heating inside, but the solar panels are not enough because right now I only have I have so this rock wool 5 centimeter, and here is this aluminium, and so I rebuilt the lock bandsaw into a 1 meter wide. So I originally here from a kid's bike wanted to take here this nice tires, but they were too wide, and so I did not get the 1 meter, so I had to run here onto rims. I thought I could fit both rims, but it turned out that again it's stable. Have not really yet understood why it's stable, but here is just rollers, and for now here with of course still need to be some protection, you see, but here it can't go. It would go inside here, so I need another here, and perhaps here some. These are from the old, and I could also go with a drilling machine. It's a lot faster, but well, I will try if it already. You see, it's now only a PUR. It's easy to cut, so maybe here the battery powered is okay. And yeah, very nice. Still have here, so you can fold it, so it's portable. Here a bar on top, so I can put a cover on it. And yeah, I want to put the 5 meter ladder here, like that. So and then to the ground here, and 2 meters there. So I have a stable, so these huge 2 meter long, 1 meter wide, you see. So that I have here, there's 7.5 centimeters. And I think here a roller here. Where are the rollers? A wheel here to get a contact, and a wheel here to match the height of the ladder. You see, so I have it flat and can then simply pull it through. And yeah, really looking very nice. And I mean, here the diameter is a bit too small, so this could rip. But the tension is not that high, and the usage, it's not wood that I'm cutting, so I'm hoping that this blade will last. And yeah, that's the new bandsaw, not a lock bandsaw, but a insulation bandsaw here. And here then I will have it. Really, I think only. But right now it's about, I think, a 500 watt average that I need to heat it. But then with, you see, with the bad insulation, so I'm really looking forward to really fully autonomous here with my solar panels. So now here with electric control, that's the lowest speed. Okay, now for all the smaller parts are done. Here we have, I had already 2 times 100 centimeters for a short time, but now these are really the ones. if I push the ladder here, then the saw here tilts a bit to the side and the blade is going upwards. So that's when I was making a rest. I can see here if this is going upwards or downwards, and then I can adjust the tilt of the blade. This now it looks better. You see it's quite free. And here that's because that's outside is more dried by the UV light. The inside, and so the new slice is always bent a bit. But here, this time, I really got it very nice. Here you can see me pushing. You see, and then the blade tilts. So this is quite nice.